Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Prices analysis SPX, DXY, BTC, ITHB, and BXRPA, ADA, SOL, DOG, and DOT. Equity markets are worsening aggressive selling due to tech internally bearish macroeconomic factors, and this is aiding sell pressure to Bitcoin and altcoin prices. The World Bank has warned of a possible global recession in 2023 in a press release on September 15. The bank said the current pace to rate hikes and policy decision is unlikely to be enough to bring inflation down to pre-pandemic levels. Ray Dalio, the billionaire founder of Bridgewater Education, said in a blog post on September 13 that its rates were to rise to about 4.5% in the United States. It would produce about 20% negative impact on equity prices. The negative outlook for the equity markets does not bode well to cryptocurrency market, as about haven closely recorded in 2022. The macroeconomic development seemed to be worrying cryptocurrency investors who sent 236,000 Bitcoin BTC to major cryptocurrency exchanges on September 14. According to Glassnode data, the inflow was the highest since March 2020. Let's study the charts of the S&P 500 index, the US dollars index, DXY, and the major cryptocurrencies to determine the key level that could signal the start of trending move. S&P 500 Index XPC anthem and the rebound of the underline of September 14, but the weak rebound showed a lack of urgency to defend the level. Sellers took advantage to the situation and pulled the price below the uptrend line on September 15. The level or 386 from where the index had bounced on September 6 also fought for profit dive and is support indicating that traders are in a hurry to sell their position. Usually, the breakdown from a level trends to reset it that in case the price could rise to after trend line in the price turns down from this level. It was a guess the breast have left an uptrend line to interesting days that could increase the possibility of a drop to 3,700, the downswing 20-day exponential moving average EMI 400 and the relative strength index below 37 suggests the burst on the comments. If the price turns up and rise above the uptrend line, it will suggest that the breakdown on September 15 may have been a brain trap and could prepare an index to downtrend line. DXY is strong uptrend, the bears trend to pale the price below the moving average, but the bulls frequently defend the 50-day simply moving average is MI 107 on September 13. Both moving averages are stopping up and the SII and the positive territory encoding advantage to buyers. The bulls will next attempt to push the price above the overhead resistance at 110. This is an important level to keep an eye because if the price sustains above the level, the rally could extend to 115. If the price turns down from the strength level of the overhead resistance and breaks below the 20-day EMI 109, it will suggest a continuation in near term. The price could then rate between 107 and 110. A few days of potential tensions could be signaled if being seen the price below 107 BTC or USDT. Bitcoin firmament and Doji candlestick ventured on September 14, indicating indication among the bulls and the bears. The uncertainty rose and the downside on September 14, but the bears have failed to both open the advantage. This indicates the selling pressure and reduce at lower levels. Bears will attempt to salvage the situation by passing the price above the 20-day EMI $20. If that happens, the BTC or USDT price could rise to overhead resistance and $22. The bears market might defend this level aggressively, but it trusts the price above it. The pair could rally to $25. Contractually, in the price turns down from the current level on the 20-day EMI, it will suggest the sentiment remains negative and traders are building rallies and selling opportunity. They're causing the pair to the strong supports at $18. The zone between $500 and $17 could witness aggressive buying from the bulls because the feature of define the zone may start the next leg of downtrend. ITH or USDT. Other ITS the bonds of the first line on the September 14, but the joy of the bulls provided to short life, the price turned down sharply from 20-day EMI and the point below the support line on September 15. The 20-day EMI has started to turn and RSI, the slip below 36, indicating the price and the control. The shares helped the price $1 and if support cracks, the ITS USDT price could drop the $1. Maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.